We are back at Shimo Yoshida Station. We're gonna go to Kawaguchiko Station using the train. Pakita lang natin ulit to. Ayun na, platform 1, platform 2. Kawaguchiko Station, it's already 1:25 p.m. We gotta take a tourist bus papuntang Oishi Park. We are here again, but before that, let's reserve our ticket for tomorrow. Mari, we learned from our mistake from last time, so now I'm here at the station. Total, nandito rin naman tayo to book a ticket for tomorrow, 5 p.m. to Shinjuku or Tokyo Station. Sasabihin mo lang dun sa mga guide, susulat nila. And then, all you have to do is pay. Kasi I tried booking online nga pala again. Ayaw talaga pumasok yung debit card ko. Heater, oh. Ang sarap ng may heater. Ito, nakapag-book na tayo ng ticket natin for tomorrow to Shinjuku Station at 5:10 p.m. Sinobrahan ko na kahit 10 a.m. pa yung check-out. Kasi nandito na ako. I don't wanna, ano mo yun? Hindi na ako ulit makakabalik dito for the longest time. So, susulitin ko na yung area na to. Kahit nadala-dala ko yung luggage ko. Anyway, may mga coin lockers naman sa mga stations eh. Alright, so let's figure out what bus to take to go to Oishi Park. It's 1:35 pa lang naman. The iconic Kawaguchiko Station. Alam mo ang challenge dito, hindi kasi nakalagay kung sa Google Maps what kind of bus you have to take to go to the spot eh. Basta yung bus nila nakalagay red line, green line, blue line. And then you have to figure out which line to take to go to the spot that you want. So, hanapin natin. Dati kasi may mga guide na nakatayo. You can ask kung saan ka pupunta. Ngayon, wala na eh. Balitaan ko kayo when I figure it out. Meron naman pala nito eh. Asan ang Oishi Park? Ayun no, Oishi Park. So, pwedeng red. Red line. Ayun pala, red line. I'm here eh. Ayan. Salamat sa malaking wall na to. Haba ng pila for the red line. Mari, yung mga bus dito, hindi niya kulay yung sasakyan mo. So, limbawa, this is just a regular bus. You have to read what it says there. This says it's our line, so that's the red line. Hindi siya tulad sa iba na pag sinabing red line, red din yung bus. Ano yung guide do? Yung nakatalikod. Ayan, so he's helping. Siya rin yung conductor. Or, tama ba? Or barker. Hindi siya sumisigaw eh. But he's the one who like lets people inside the bus, carries the luggages dun sa loob ng compartment ng bus. And then siya rin nagsasabi kapag next bus ka na sumakay kasi puno na. Naman, nakalagay G-line. So, green line. Free shuttle bus. Ayan yung yung rin. What do you call that? It stops at Fuji Q. So, we can take that tomorrow. Papunta rito para libre, diba? Buti nakaupo tayo. By the way, saktong side tayo umupo ng bus. Dapat sa left ka. For the Mount Fuji view mamaya doon. Tapos, turo ko sa inyo yung yung cafe tourist base. Doon tayo nag-unlimited curry last time. And then, malapit lang doon, may Lawson doon with Mount Fuji view. Medyo traffic palabas eh. Pakita ko sa inyo. Ayan. Ayan si Mount Fuji, oh. See? Medyo malayo, 27 stops. Tama ba? 27 stops or 27 minutes away? Double check ko na lang yung Google Maps. Iba yung vibe, no? Because the last time we were here, it was winter. So may mga snow. Ngayon naman, autumn leaves everywhere. Yung sikat na Lawson with Mount Fuji view.
Next bus stop, number 7. Fuji Lake.
Ayun na yung ropeway. Tapos yung boat ride. Ginawa natin last time. Ang ganda, oh. Autumn leaves. Anyway, if you have the pass that I have, pag sasakay kayo niyan, you can get a discount, 100 yen. Same with the ropeway. There's Mount Fuji. Ganda. Ganda ng lake, no?
Next bus stop.
In fairness, malayo talaga, ha? At ang maganda sa bus, kapag nakaupo ka, nag-sightsee ka na rin, super daming views ng Mount Fuji. Ngayon, dito pala sa Oishi Park, mga mare, the stop is not called Oishi Park, it's called Kawaguchiko Natural Living Center. Tandaan niyo yun, ha? So, they're letting us pass first. Diba sa Pilipinas, kapag may sasakyan, ikaw ang hihinto dahil babanggain ka nila. Dito hindi. Kapag may nakita silang pedestrian, dadaan ka muna. Saan nakalagay Oishi Park? Ayan pala. Anyway, may kita mo naman pagpasok ng bus pag ganun. May kita mo Oishi Park. Maraming stops in between. Gem Museum, Art Museum, Monkey Museum. This is one of the bigger spots. Kasi ang dami nagtitinda eh, oh. May mga buses pa. Talagang tourist spot to. Rice dumpling. Ayan, oh. Mount Fuji rice dumpling. 500 yen. Lamig. Ganda naman ang tower na to. Ah, that's the Oishi Park Cafe. Ah, hindi siya color red. Kala ko yung mga ganun-ganun red. Ganun-ganun. Mga shrubs. Oh, what is this? Parang shrine of sorts. Hanap ka. May impression ako na dahil autumn, red tong mga to. Hindi pala. But they're cute. May putik. Mount Fuji's there. Hindi lang wala, cloudy na. Ay, may mga nagtatanim pa ng flowers.
Wala nang pag-asa. Sabi ko, okay lang yan, Derma.
Siya na si Mount Fuji. Buti pala nakita na natin siya ng buong buo. At kanina, it was very clear. Pero nung around lunchtime, nagka-clouds na eh. Okay na yan. We have one last day tomorrow. And at least we're still here. Kala ko red tong mga to. Hindi pala. Baka nalagas na yung mga yon. Maybe it's a different plant. Or maybe they're flowers. I'm not sure. No? It's nice here. Dito oh. Ganda. Gandang spot. Mga mari, yung power bank ko ayaw gumana. May 80% pa yun. Sobrang lamig kasi. My goodness. Ay, so cute. Cute puppy. Alitong puppy, ganyan lang. Mas malaki pa yung puppy. Ay, mas malaki pa yung mukha niya. Ah, ito. There's a label of what the plants are. Yun pala yun, no? Yung red na gusto ko. Ragweed pala yun. So, it's done. Naubos na sila. Maganda rin dito sa Oishi Park. Siguro iba rin yung vibe niya kapag kapag spring, 'di ba? Mas maraming bulaklak. Kasi ayan lang oh. Look at dyan lang si Mount Fuji oh. Tapos lakad-lakad kayo dito, holding hands while walking. Hoy! Ako, sino ka holding hands? Yung kids ko. Mag-iipon tayo ng bonggang-bongga para I can bring them here. Ano na, I'm putting mental notes na on the places that we are going to. Alam niyo kung gugustuhin ko, pwede pa ako mag-Oshino Hakay, pero bukas na lang. Magiging responsible na persons muna tayo at mag-work tayo mamaya. So, ito ang madadatnan nyo sa Oishi Park. Ito, mas konti na ng mga tao rito. Ang lamig, Diyos ko. Yung concern ako sa gadgets ko. Dahil tumigil yung power bank ko dahil sa lamig. Hindi dahil sa init ha, sa lamig. Marami pa palang spots doon. No? Ganda. Buti pala naglakad ako. I think this is the spot that I was looking for. That's one of the last few that are still red. Yung iba nag-dry up na. Sila na to. Gusto niyo mahilo? Are you ready? Oh, ha? Nothing beats that view. Huy! Ang kulit eh, no? Gusto ko yung bahay na yun. Parang 3 bahay siya. Ito naman 2. No, 4. Huh. Get a Kailan kaya tayo magkakapera para makabili ng bahay dito? Hoy, Yuri, wala kang bahay sa Pilipinas. Tumigil ka dyan. Oh, it's called Kawaguchiko Urban Resort Villa. So, pinaparentahan pala siya. Okay, we're here again from the beginning. We have the other side pa na hindi pa natin na-explore. Ano na, it's 3:15. After we explore the other side of this park, alis na tayo.
Tingin ka doon. Hindi pa tapos. Kasi nagbo-blur pag gumagalaw. Dito.
Nabasa ko na kung ano yung significance ng Churaito Pagoda. Ano pala siya? It's a peace marker. They built it in 1967 to commemorate the people who fought and died sa mga wars na sinalihan nila from 1860s up to World War II. So 1860s to 1940s. Tapos pala, si Pagoda pala, it has 400 steps. And syempre, hindi natin nagawa yung 400 steps na yun dahil we chose not to do all the steps. Pero at least, na-reach pa rin natin yung summit. Diba? So, iyon, at least now we understand what the pagoda is about. Coin lockers tong mga to. 1,000 yen. Alright, we are at Kawaguchiko Station and one ride away lang tayo from Fuji-Q Highland Station. We are going to use our pass again. Ay, ito pala may pila. 4:25 na. Ganda naman ng Mount Fuji dito sa side na to. Actually, what platform am I supposed to use? Teka nga.
Next train is a local train. One for Otsuki. Depart time is 16:28.
One station away lang pala tayo. From Kawaguchiko. Napaka convenient ng space na yon. Okay, ngayon, saan tayo bababa? Fuji-Q Highland Station. Pakita natin to. Hello. Thank you. Dito lang ako sa tabi nung gas station. Kung saan ako galing. Nakita ko to. Kasi that means 120 minutes. So I'm like, wait, does that mean unlimited? Tapos pag-check ko dito sa menu, meron nga silang unli, 2,990, 3,490, 4,490. I'm seated na. Mukhang maganda rito. May mga ganun din sila na room. Uwi akong English menu. So, ayun, you can only order 5 dishes at a time. So, I ordered, of course, yung mga prime ones. Oh, look at that. Skirt steak daw to. Ay, ano ba tong tong nila? Kala ko rib eye na maliit. Pero look at the marbling. Aray ko. I wonder if can I not overcook this? Look at that. My gosh. Not bad It's 3,890 yen. So magkano yun mga mare? I-calculate natin. Yummy kimchi. Tinanggal ko yung ibang egg white. Gusto ko yung yolks lang. Hindi mo na ulit ako nag-order. Mabilis naman sila mag-serve. Kasi, nabubusog agad ako sa tingin. I also don't wanna have leftovers. Parang properly marinated tong mga beef nila. OMG, I'm excited for my first bite. May mga sauces sila dyan. Nagtimpla rin ako. Let's try it. Ngayon natin sa egg. Ready? Yummy. You smell that? Of course you don't. Una sa lahat, none of their meat, or at least yung natikman ko so far, wala naman dyang parang wagyu type na melt in your mouth. But it's marinated so well. Na may konting chew pero malambot siya. Mga ano lang, 3 nguya, nakagat mo na siya. Hindi naman mga 10 or 20. Masarap. Ito nga pasunog na eh. I think this thing that they call a diaphragm is done. Pero hindi siya diaphragm mga mare. Maybe it's oh, wow. Look. Look, the way I cooked it. Makikita ba? Medium rare. By the way, alam nyo ba dun sa hostel, ang tubig ay galing sa gripo. Sabi ko pa, where is the water please? Sabi niya, oh, it's in the sink. Sabi ko, oh, I don't see the water there. Yung pala ibig niya sabihin tap water. Sabi ko, ha? Is it drinkable? Drinkable pa yung sinabi ko, hindi potable. Sabi niya, yes, it's okay, it's safe. Sabi niya ganun. Tapos naisip ko, sa bagay, Japan to. And then, ininom ko, hanggang ngayon naman, hindi pa ako nagkakasakit. Kahapon pa ako may inom ng tubig nila, diba? Yum, na-excite ako. Ang bango. Tikman natin tong diaphragm. Char! The diaphragm. Nasabi ko, kala ko rib eye, hindi pala. Wow! Sobrang lambot. Yun na lang o-orderin ko. Yummy. Ito na si diaphragm. By the way, mga mare, yung mga ino-order ko, may mga iba doon may garlic. Para ba? Parang garlic marinade, miso marinade, ganun. Sarap. Lambot. Perfect. butter soy sauce sausawan. This one is tough. Not getting it again. I think the best is diaphragm. Hindi ko alam kung ano to eh. Pero mukha naman, kanina mukha talagang wala siyang fat. Although it's marinated naman. It's not like the others. Ito talagang super lambot. Yummy. Ito na yung butter soy sauce ko. Nilagay ko sa grill. Para sausawan. Sausawan natin sa butter soy sauce. Yung tough. Yung wala masyadong fat. Iba talaga yung may fat. This one. Sarap ng butter soy sauce. Literally butter at soy sauce. But it brightened up the flavor. At saka yung soy sauce nila, napaka... Thank you. Yung soy sauce nila, napaka ano. How do I explain it? You know the Chinese soy sauce? Yung talagang napaka lasang toyo. Hindi siya lasang natubigan. If you have tried, like, a cheap one is coconut brand. Di ba masarap yung toyo na yun? I buy that more than Silver Swan or the others. May dumating. This is pork, but it says there, it's their specialty. See, I hope it's good. Ang laki niya, ha? Egg and vegetable soup. Very simple taste lang. Nilagay ko sa gilid para hindi ma-overcook. Meron silang ano sa menu, offal, so mga laman loob. Although I don't understand the the translation. I ordered one, beef offal. I'm not sure kung chan ba yun or what eh. This one's good. It's just the right kind of chew. Pero ang pinaka-melt in your mouth, well, it doesn't melt in your mouth. Don't get me wrong. Yung diaphragm, nag-order ulit ako ng isa pa. Ang laki itong lempo. Sana nga talagang masarap. Wait, I think I need to cut it. Oh my gosh, they have the dullest scissors. Took me a minute to dismantle that. Baka ito yung katulad dun sa Yakiniku King. Naintindihan ko na bakit one of their specialties itong pork. It came from... Thank you. Thank you. This came from one of their regions that's famous for their pork. Diba ganun sa Japan? They value kung saan galing yung mga ingredients nila. Yun yung beef offal. Ano yan? Is this a stomach lining? Bahala na si Batman. Thank you. I'm on fire because of the fat. Ganda naman yung green onions nila. Yung ante nyo, instead of meat ang in-order, gulay ang in-order. Can I just say na sobrang quality yung exhaust nila? Hindi ako natatakot na mangangamoy ang usok ako. Look, even the entire place is not mausok. The name pork, which was surprisingly so tender when I was cutting it. Pero nung hinati ko nung hilaw, Diyos ko, ang hirap. Nung naluto, I placed all the meat on the side para hindi masunog pero mainit pa rin. I think after this, one more round of kimchi. And I think one of that big diaphragm. I think ito yun eh. Pero ba't maliit? Baka sa dulo? Ganun ba yun? I don't know. I'm okay with my meat na. I'll order some dessert. Yung dessert nila puro ice cream lang. Yep, after those two, I think those are my last. Pero nag-order pa rin ako ng kimchi and cheese fondue. Kung kailan nahuli tsaka na nag-order ng ganyan, ano. By the way, itong si Kuya, ang cute niya. Bata pa lang siya. At very matulungin. Very helpful. Alam mo, yung cheese nila, I wasn't expecting the taste from that color. Ang sarap niya. Ayan o. Wala siya siyang keso talaga. Kala ko nga ano siya eh. Bechamel? Hindi eh. Yummy. My gosh, the moment of truth. Ano to? Ano nang baka yan? Ganyan. Kailangan siguro lutong-luto, no? Hindi naman siguro mini-medium rare yung ganito. Ano to? Anong part kaya ng baka to? Hindi siya mukhang taba eh. Ayan no. Baburp na ako. May texture. Hindi naman siya tripe. I don't like how it's looking. Anyway, kasama din, meron din silang liver. Tapos may isa pang body part na hindi ko alam kung ano. Ginawa ko lang yung beef. Ayoko naman yung liver. I eat liver kaso hindi ko siya favorite. Parang ang pinaka gusto ko sa mga offal yung Betamax, sisig, isaw, ganun. Yung mga, soup number 5, kumakain din ako nun. Ewan ko lang kung ano to. Oh my God! Sunog na yata. Look at the size. It's significantly decreased. Am I doing this right? Can I call a friend? Char. Tabi natin. Okay. Ay, teka lang. Ano? Moment of truth. Ito. Pag di mo alam, kala mo scallop. I'll try it. Ay, ang init. Okay, moment of truth again. I hope this is cooked properly. Wow. Yuck. It tastes like fat. I don't like that at all. Not eating that. Sorry. Parang mas gusto ko pa yung bituka. Kung bituka na lang sana siya. Anyway, last one. Ito may yuzu. By the way, mga mare, may wagyu sila rito. And feeling ko mura siya. Look. Itong 7,980. Different kinds of wagyu. Diba yung sa palengke, sa ibang street food nila, 2,000 yen, isang stick lang yun. Oh, yung prime short rib, 1,980. Tapos ito, loin steak, 3,980. Hindi unlimited yan, ha? Siguro if I have more budget, pag yumaman na tayo or kung may afam na tayo, o kaya kung meron pala akong distant uncle na papamanahan ako, charot lang. 7,980 lang, oh. Feeling ko mura to for wagyu. Magkano lang yun 7,980? Di ano lang yun, mga mari, 3,000 pesos? Or less pa. No? Ito ang kinain natin ngayon, 1,500 lang total eh. Not bad ah. Pero dito kasi sa Japan, wala silang unlimited na 5 hours kang pwedeng umupo. Hanggang 120 minutes lang talaga. So far, I still have ilang minutes pa? May 24 minutes pa ako to order. Yun lang yung time na, or parang you can order for 100 minutes. You can sit down for an extra 20 more minutes. Kaya 120 minutes total. Happy naman ako sa kinain ko. A little excessive. Pero, walang rason. Nakita ko lang kasi na may unlimited. Eh di sabi ko, itry ko na lang. Para kung sakaling may mag-Fuji Q sa inyo next time. After nyo mag-Fuji Q, pwede kayong kumain dito kung okay naman. Okay naman pala. Alam nyo kung group kayo, try nyo yung Wagyu. Diba, no? Hindi pa ako nakakatry ng Wagyu sa buong buhay ko. Ay, hindi. Nakapag-try na pala ako. Yung kumari kong mayaman, nakakain na pala ako ng Wagyu cubes. Alam mo, I feel like I can eat one more meat eh. Pinag-iisipan ko. Nililinis nila yung kabilang table ko. Grabe sila maglinis ng table. As in, kuskus lahat. As in, inaangat niya lahat to. Isa-isa niyang pinupunasan. Lahat. Diba, sa atin kasi minsan ni-spray lang, gaganunin lang. Tapos na. Tapos malagkit pa rin. Huy, Yuri, complain ka ng complain sa Pilipinas. Char. Hindi na ako nag-order ng meat. At that point, sobrang katakawan na. Eh, ang takaw ko na nga, diba? So, I ordered more water. I think that's my 4th glass of water and 2 ice creams. Well, one of them is a sherbet. Yummy. Yummy. Japan and its quirks. Yung drawing. Kita niyo ba? Nakasabit sa clouds. Tapos may mga baboy. Sabi niya, 390 yen. 390 yen yung ano, Mount Fuji. Ice cream and sherbet. I'll probably have 2 more of these. Niluluto ko ulit yung beef. Awful. Baka naman kailangan super sunog na sunog siya. I don't know if I can still redeem this. Baka kailangan yung maging crunchy siya. By the way, Mare, ang unlimited drinks for kids is only 390 yen. Tama ba? Yeah. Alam mo, I'll bring my kids here din. Alam mo si Brie, mahilig kumain yun. Alam nyo naman. Si Evie, mahilig yun sa ganito. Yung mga samgyupsal, yakiniku. They like it here also. Grabe no, kailangan ko talagang pag-ipunan when I will bring my kids here. Kasi hindi naman pwede mag-hostel si Brie eh. Ay, no, some hostels already accept kids as young as 7. Ito na yung last na order ko. Grilled ice. Charot. Di ba sa China may ganyan? Tapos nilalagyan pa nila ng sauce and green onions. The aftermath. My 100 minutes to order is done. I have 20 more minutes to finish this. Ang sarap ng sherbet nila. Para siyang ice candy na mas thicker. I don't know how to explain it. And this ice cream is really creamy. Sana hindi ko sinama yung supot. Yan lang talaga yung tira natin, Mare. Hindi ko siya ma-redeem. I don't know how to do it. This is the menu. Yan, ganyan lang siya. Pipiliin mo lang. Halimbawa ito, Genki Kalbi sauce. Ito, salt sauce, miso. Yung beef. Beef loin pala yung gusto ko. Ayan. Diaphragm. Okay din to, malambot din to. Ayan, may garlic, may miso. Gusto mo chicken and pork. Yan, yung chicken niya. Hindi ako nag-order ng chicken. Yung pork, ito lang in-order ko. Grabe. Sobrang laki nito. I'm not gonna order that again if I'm gonna come back here. Masarap siya, pero I'll just focus on beef next time. Ito, never again. Grilled vegetable salad. Nagustuhan ko yung green onion. Ang lalaki. Yung green onion kasi, pag nasunog mo yung labas niya, yung loob niya sobrang lambot. Bali, you don't have to eat na yung nasunog sa labas. Just the insides, lalabas siya. Sobrang sarap. Ang tamis. Yeah, I didn't get salad. Merong pickles, nori, cold tofu. I know I'm a tofu girl, but I don't want tofu today. Pickles, sulit tong assorted kimchi. Nakadalawa ako niyan. Ang laki, diba? Nakita nyo naman. raw egg, garlic butter, masarap. Yung fondue cheese, masarap din. May rice dishes sila, mare. Ito. Don't get confused, itong rice dishes nila, itong bibimbap, may rice yan. Yung soup, may rice yan. Meron silang large rice, small, medium, may mga top rice, may curry pa nga eh. Ang in-order ko yung soup mismo, kasi diba dati doon ako nagkamali sa Yakiniku King. Ayan lang yung dessert nila.
Sorry.
Oh, yes, you can. Thank you. And then, ayan, you can order other things. This is how I order my water.
This is new towel.
Oh, that's new? Thank you. I'm using my phone. Naubusan ako ng space sa camera ko. Anyway, so, ito compare ko si Yakiniku King dito. Mas chill ako dito. In fact, pagpunta ko nga dito, kabubukas pa lang nila, kaya walang tao. Nagsiratingan yung mga tao, mga fans ko, napuno yung restaurant. Charot lang. Mas chill dito. And then, mas personalized ang service dun sa Yakiniku King. And nagde-deliver robot most of the time. Dito mga tao. And they're very friendly. Ang cute-cute nga ni Kuya eh. I think he's like 22, 23. He's so cute and he always smiles. At saka pogi siya. O sabihan niyo kung cougar ha. Sinabihan ko lang na cute na bata. Good service. Even the girl, good service. They don't really speak a lot of English but they really try their best to do so. Narinig yun naman siya kanina. Nagpaalam siya. Yung mga ganun. Talagang okay. Ano pa ba? Quality ng meat, para sa akin same lang. Although, mas siguro aangat ng 1 point si Yakiniku King. Meron silang isang meat doon na super tender, na melt in your mouth eh. Pero okay lang, hindi naman deal breaker yun kasi similar price sila. Of course, Yakiniku King is accessible. It's all over Tokyo. Ito, nandito lang siya. Hindi ko alam kung may branches to. I don't even know the name of this restaurant. Basta ito yung katabi ng cabin and lounge. Pakita ko mamaya paglabas ko. Dessert-wise, mas okay sa Yakiniku King. However, since mahilig ako magngat-ngat ng ice, okay na sa akin to. Happy na ako dyan. In fact, refreshing yung sherbet nila. Itong cream, pantanggal ng anghang sa dila kasi pinapak ko yung kimchi eh. Ano pa ba? Yeah, it's good. I mean, for 1,500 pesos in a country like Japan, okay na siya. I cannot complain. Siyempre, yung iba sasabihin, kapag nag-Vikings ka, same price, mas maraming choices. Eh di sa Vikings kayo kumain. Huy! Nakikipag-away. I'm just saying, right? You're in Japan. Obviously, everything's more expensive here. Pero the fact that you have 100 minutes to order food, okay na siya. Happy na ako. Yun na yung extravagance natin this week. Next week, one extravagance lang. The rest of the time, regular restaurants or convenience stores lang tayo. Iba-iba pa yung flavor ng mga sherbet. Yung kanina, color purple siya. It's grape flavored. Ito naman, parang ano to? Apple. Very refreshing. Actually, hindi kasi yung dami ng variety sa desserts ng Yakiniku King, but it's quite good. Maasim-asim, slightly sweet. It's good. Punta kayo dito. By the way, the restaurants have other desserts. Ayan, no? Hindi lang kasama dun sa unlimited. Actually, this looks promising. Strawberry, almond, apricot, kernel jelly. 390 yen lang. 429 with tax. Provided hot towel 2 times. Oh my gosh. Pwede ba magbigay ng tip? I mean, this is the restaurant service. Pero, everybody serve with a smile talaga. Super magalang.
新規住宅
Ang sarap dito. Alam niyo ang what really made the difference is the service. I mean, it's like any other yakiniku spot.
Where is it?
Ayan lang siya. Oh, ayan yung gas station. Ito siya. Oh, it's called Gyushige. Yeah, kasi the first word I know that means beef. Ito, hindi ko alam. Does it mean happy? Laugh? I'm not sure. Ito lang yung loso, no? Oh, tapos sa tabi lang ng Lawson, lalagpas pa tayo dun. Yung hostel na natin. There's our hostel. Merong foot bath dito. Susulitin ko na kasi